At RASA, our vision is to make this world a better and beautiful place to live in and leave it better than we found it. So when we started RASA, the idea was to organize the unorganized markets in India. If you see, the Indian market is still highly unorganized in a lot of sectors. So we have 6 business verticals. One is your iron out, wherein we do app-based laundry and dry cleaning, majorly presence in Delhi NCR market. Second is divine dishes, wherein we are doing we are organizing the street food of India, starting from chole bhature to chaat to chap and momos. Third is your Adventex, wherein we are organizing the adventure sports in India. So we started off with one site in Jim Corbett, now scaling it up to multiple sites. Then fourth business, we have Friday Night Cars, wherein we import the luxury cars from the US and then sell to the HNIs here in India. That's Friday Night Cars. Then fifth is Sargun Ayurveda, wherein we are organizing the Ayurveda field in India. So we have started off with one Ayurveda hospital in Delhi and one center. Then we will, as we move along, we'll scale it up to multiple hospitals. And then we have 6th vertical, which is Avni Developers. It's into real estate. We have multiple projects in Sonipat, Sona, Gurgaon and Goa.
Managing multiple companies under RASA has been very, very challenging. Working with different teams, different workflows, and completely different consumer journeys. Managing all these processes at the same time maintaining customer experience hasn't been easy. That's when we decided we need a system that can bring everything together and make it more structured as well as efficient.
So we used to use Google Sheets to track all our leads that used to come through Shopify, through Google, through our own website, or even through the YouTube ads that we used to run. Then the team leader would be manually assigning all the tasks to respective agents. It was a tedious task. The person had to be always on their computer to constantly keep assigning the leads as and when they came up. Subsequently, what happened, any lead that came after working hours, when there was nobody available, would be just sitting till next day morning 9 a.m. when the person would start assigning the leads. By the time agents follow up, the customers would say that it has been so long that I've placed the order and nobody's got in touch, and that was not a very pleasant experience.
Once we started using telecrm, things completely changed for us. 70% of our manual work is now automated. So now we are getting all the leads in the telecrm automatically. Leads are shared with the agents, and WhatsApp is also sent to the customers as soon as the query comes in.
Because the agents use their own personal phones, it became a difficult task to track all the appointments, status, what's the status on the follow-up, if there's any concern, has it been captured in the system. It was all manual all over the place. But thanks to telecrm now, what has happened is we have a dashboard where we are able to track every interaction, status, follow-up, and it has become a much pleasant experience for the customers as well as a much more manageable job for us to track day-to-day business.
With telecrm, our marketing efforts has become very much smooth and easier. We are now able to identify our potential customers by checking all their past conversation with us, and accordingly we are sending them WhatsApp automated messages for cross-selling and upselling our services.
telecrm, along being dependable, it's also very versatile. It helps streamline the processes of 6 of our brands. Since we started using it, our sales doubled up and our conversion rate increased from 7% to 16%. And it's been truly instrumental in easing my work as a digital head.